I was shedding too much hair. At some point, I was thinking it was cancer. I say, what's going on? What are you really teaching people? We've been lied to. Natural hair is easier to maintain if you know the right things to do. You see, with relaxed hair, how my hair went from this to this in the space of 3 years of being relaxed. In this video, I'm going to be sharing what my relaxed hair journey has been like. Do I regret getting relaxed? Would I ever be going back natural? Would I suggest getting anyone that is on natural hair, would I ever suggest to them to relax their hair for it to be more manageable? So if that looks like something you're going to be interested in hearing, keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing this face, hi, my name is Kenny. I create content around hair content and lifestyle content. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. I'm meant to be starting or making this video with my hair out, but it's been a rough couple of days and I just got this done a few days ago. Growing up, I grew up with relaxed hair. I never knew there was anything such as natural hair until after secondary school. A few years after secondary school, I cut my hair, and because the hair was already damaged. Growing up, I grew up with that same hair, never been natural, never been cut. So after secondary school, the hair was weak and damaged. I had to, cut it. In 2020, I started oiling my scalp with the hair oil from I think Nigerian hair care brand. I've shared it on my shorts before, but I'm going to be leaving a picture here for you guys to see. I started using that, and during that period, I wasn't going to the salon to go and get my hair done. I rarely do that anyways, but I was mostly doing my hair myself, or my sisters would do it for me. So that period, I noticed my hair didn't used to be as voluminous as I started oiling my scalp. So I noticed the difference when I started oiling my scalp, and I was getting, then I was natural. So then I was watching videos from Gono's channel. I don't know if you guys know her, but she does natural hair content and doing stuff from her channel that she suggested. So I was getting things to do from Gono's channel here on YouTube till, I think 2 to 3 years ago when I got relaxed. So I got tired of my natural hair, and during that time when I was natural, I've mentioned this. If you're conversant with me on Instagram, I do protein treatments then when I was natural, but towards when I wanted to get my hair relaxed, I stopped getting protein treatments. So when I got relaxed, I basically wasn't getting protein treatments done, so I was feeling my hair a bit too much. And then this year I started noticing thinning. My hair was looking like lifeless. You could tell it wasn't healthy, it wasn't as voluminous as it used to look. And then I knew I was shedding too much hair, and at some point I was thinking it was cancer, because I would literally put my hands through my hair and I would see hair, like strands of my hair falling, and I'm like, am I sick? What's going on? So I wasn't getting protein treatments when I got my hair relaxed. It then hit me when I sat down to think about it, that for someone who knows and says she's a hair care content creator, you've not been getting protein treatments. What are you really teaching people? So that was why I knew there was a problem. I had to work on that. I'm currently still working on it, but since then I've noticed improvement in my hair, volume wise and length wise. I've started inculcating protein treatments back into my hair care routine. I won't say I know this hair care routine thing well, because I really don't. Or not say well, I won't also say that I'm religious with doing it. There are times we get lazy, we get tired. Would I say bad or lazy skincare days? And we have lazy hair days. So I'm not the hair guru, but I do know when to take care of my hair. So the journey has been educative, fun. I've been learning new things about my hair I never knew before. I deep condition now. I do protein treatments. I wash my hair often. All these things I do normally, but my point is, ever since I got relaxed 2 to 3 years ago now by myself, aside from childhood, I've been doing what I didn't know about I've known a lot about my hair that I never knew before. Do I regret relaxing my hair? No, I won't say I regret getting my hair relaxed in its natural state, in its relaxed state. I do love it. It is my hair and I can decide to do whatever I want with it. But yeah, I won't say natural hair is bad. I know it can be a lot to deal with. That's why we permit. And if you want to grow it back, it is just a scissors. Moving on. If you're enjoying this video and you're finding this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, become a family member. And yeah, would I ever be going back natural? Never say never. I do miss the kinky, curly feeling that natural hair gives. And I don't know, I didn't post it on my Instagram, but then when I was thinking about going relaxed, I did say it once or twice that I think on my WhatsApp, not on Instagram. I said it that if I relax my hair, never going to have that kinky feeling and all, but nothing. It's not that deep. It's just a scissors. A scissors would do it, and we are back to natural. I can't tell now, but I might decide to go natural even tomorrow. So the last point I have here is, would I suggest going relaxed to anyone, or would I tell anyone to go relaxed? The point and the truth is, it's a personal thing. If you feel especially if you know you want healthy relaxed hair, if you feel you've got what it takes to grow out your relaxed hair, that means you are up to, like, you are up for the routine, the work to be done to have healthy relaxed hair. By all means, go relaxed, because a lot of people have this notion in their head that relaxed hair is more manageable to natural hair. We've been lied to. That's a lie. That is a lie. Relaxed hair is as in fact, natural hair is easier to maintain if you know the right things to do. You see, with relaxed hair, when your hair has been chemically treated, there is no such thing as relaxed hair is easier to manage than natural hair. We've been lied to. I don't know who came up with that theory or idea, but that is a lie, because your hair is weak. Your hair has been chemically processed. It is weaker than the state your natural hair used to be, so it needs a lot of attention. If you don't know what to do, you won't be able to retain length. You will just see your hair, it's not passing, it's not fading, it's just there. If you think moving to the relaxed hair side of life is easier to maintain, sister, just stay natural. Except maybe if you want to get it relaxed, you don't really care about hair length and all that. If you know you don't care about hair length, volume and all, you just want your hair to be easily managed, you don't care about hair growth, by all means, go relax. I'm not anti don't relax, anti natural. Do what works for you. Learn to manage and take care of your hair. If you're willing to do the work to have healthy relaxed hair, please by all means go relaxed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.